Everything seems loud when you're used to silence. Introducing Deep Silence Kitchen Chimneys from Elica. Now with EDS 3 technology and 360-degree tornadic suction that make our chimneys the quietest yet powerful. Elica. Turn on silence.
Curd Maestro makes tasty and hygienic curd. Samsung Curd Maestro convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator. It comes in 11 different colorways: Luxe Black, Luxe Bronze, Luxe Brown, Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Real Stainless, Pebble Blue, Mystic Overlay White, Rhythmic Twirl Red, Wavy Inox, and Black Inox. It is available in 314-liter, 336-liter, 386-liter, and 407-liter. And it is 2-star and 3-star rated for energy saving. It features Curd Maestro, convertible 5-in-1, Twin Cooling Plus, and Power Cool Freeze. Get the Samsung Curd Maestro for tasty curd. It makes perfect curd all year round inside the refrigerator. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button to suit your specific needs. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool, or freeze on demand. At the touch of a button, Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Kurd Maestro convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator.
Xiaomi.
Did you know that you can get 5 cooling options at the price of 1 AC?
That is making me greedy already. But is it even possible?
Of course, the LG Dual Cool AC with the most innovative super convertible 5-in-1 cooling technology easily adjusts to all your air conditioning needs as and when required. And that too with few simple clicks.
Well, tell me more about it.
Of course, especially post the pandemic times when we've started staying indoors more, cooling our homes can be very expensive. By taking advantage of LG's super convertible 5-in-1 cooling control, we can not only save a lot of energy by adjusting down the cooling capacity from 100% to 80%, 60% or 40%, but even increase the cooling capacity to 110% when faster cooling becomes most important. Let me show you how. So just click the dedicated 5-in-1 button once and enjoy the pleasant cooling with 100% energy. Perfect for a fairly crowded or active space. And simultaneously, 2 clicks decrease the capacity to 80%, 3 clicks to 60%, and eventually 4 clicks drops the cooling capacity to 40%. It doesn't end there. Well, this AC comes with the dedicated H-Kappa key, which means click it and enjoy the super powerful cooling by increasing the AC's capacity to 110% for extremely hot or highly active spaces.
Oh man, one air conditioner perfect for the whole year. Be it extreme hot, summer, monsoon or autumn. Now that's what I call super cooling. LG Dual Cool air conditioners.
Life's good.